Oakland Lake Merritt. Lake Merritt is a beautiful and iconic natural landmark. Located in the heart of Oakland, California, here's some information about this scenic urban lake. Oakland, bordered by several neighborhoods, including Adams Point, Lakeside, and Chinatown, the lake easily accessible by car, public transportation, and walking or biking. Description: Lake Merritt, approximately 155 acres, making it lake in the city of Oakland. The lake is surrounded by a 3-4-mile paved pathway known as the Lake Merritt Boulevard, which offers stunning views of the water and the surrounding landscape. Recreation: the lake is outdoor recreation and leisure activities. Visitors can enjoy walking, jogging, biking, and rollerblade the shoreline trail. There are also picnic areas, playgrounds, and grassy areas where you can enjoy a picnic or a game of frisbee. Boating: boating, including kayaking, canoeing, and paddle boating. You can rent paddle boats and kayaks from the Lake Merritt Boating Center, located near the northeast corner of the lake. Wildlife: of wildlife, including birds, fish, and other species, it has been designated as a wildlife refuge and bird sanctuary, making it a haven for bird watchers. A variety of bird species, including ducks, geese, herons, egrets, and even pelicans. Notable landmarks, including the Lake Merritt Columns, the Lake Merritt Bandstand, and the iconic necklace of lights, a series of ornamental lights that encircle the lake's shoreline and illuminate the water at night. Events: Lake Merritt activities throughout the year, including festivals and cultural celebrations. One of the most popular events is the annual Lake Merritt Boating Festival, which features boat races, water sports, demonstrations, and family-friendly activities. Accessibility: of all abilities, with wheelchair-accessible pathways and facilities available, the lake is a designated ADA accessible park, ensuring that everyone can enjoy its natural beauty and recreational opportunities. Overall, Lake Merritt is a treasured urban oasis that offers residents and visitors alike a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you are looking for outdoor recreation, wildlife viewing, or simply a scenic spot to relax, Lake Merritt has something for everyone to enjoy. Find more vlogs at https://com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. https://com/webinar. Scale effortlessly, beginning success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://com/success collaboration. God bless you.